Hello students, I, Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So class, today we will start chapter 5, Nouns, Possession. Possession, what does possession means? Possession itself means that something that belongs to you or someone else, the belongings, okay? So first we will read this conversation. This is Rahul's school bag. So it is said that this is Rahul's school bag. So the bag belongs to whom? Rahul. No, this is Mohan's school bag. Now what does this person say? This boy say that this bag belongs to whom? Mohan. Okay, so that is why we used Mohan's bag, apostrophe S. So let us know why do we use apostrophe? We use an apostrophe, this sign, to show possession or belonging. We use apostrophe to show that this thing, this particular thing belongs to this person. We add apostrophe S, apostrophe plus S to show possession or to say that something belongs to someone. So we use apostrophe S to say that this particular bag belongs to whom? To Rahul. So see, apostrophe S is used. Why is it used? To show that this bag is Rahul. So the bag is of whose? This bag is for Rahul. This bag is of Rahul. See, in the above sentences, Rahul's school bag means that the school bag belongs to Rahul. So you see, apostrophe S is used, which says that the school bag belongs to Rahul. Okay. So let us know something more about this noun's possession. When the noun is singular, we usually add an apostrophe. So whenever the noun is singular, we just add an apostrophe, okay, and an S to the noun to show possession or belonging. So what do we use when it is singular? We use an apostrophe with an S. So example, the girl's bag. So you see, what do we use? Apostrophe plus S. My dog's name. So apostrophe plus S. You see, this is for singular, like dog, only one dog. Girl, one girl. So it is singular. Similarly, if the plural of the noun ends in S, so plural already S is there, we simply add an apostrophe. So whenever there is S at the end, what do we add? We add only an apostrophe after that S, okay, to show possession or belonging. This shows that many people or animals own or possess something. This shows what? That many people, not only one, many people or animals own something. They have something that belongs to them. See, for example, my parents' photograph. So already S is there. You see, S is already there. What did we do? We just add one apostrophe after that S. Similarly, the students' books, means the books belong to the students. That is why we just add an apostrophe after the S. Okay, there are some plural nouns like men, women and children do not end with S. So there are some plural nouns like men, women and children that do not end in S. So they don't end with an S. So what do? We change such nouns into possessives. How do we change it? We add an apostrophe. To change it into a possessive noun, what do? We add an apostrophe and an S to the plural form. So what do? We add apostrophe and an S after that plural form. See, the children's apostrophe S hat, that means that hats belong to the children. The men's shirts, that means the shirts belong to whom? The men. Next, for names that end with S, so there are some names that end in S. We generally place the apostrophe after that S. So what do? We place the apostrophe after that S to show possession. So just like the name Jones, see, it already ends with S. So what do? We just add one apostrophe. Jones bottle, means the bottle belongs to whom? Jones. Ross cottage. So the cottage belongs to whom? Ross. Okay, you see, apostrophe after that S, because already the name ends with an S. Now moving forward, we use apostrophe s, means apostrophe plus s, only for people and animals. Okay, we use apostrophe plus s only for people and animals. But for objects, what do we add? For objects, places and ideas, we use of. So for objects, places and ideas, we use of. For example, the legs of a chair. Okay, we use legs of a chair. We don't use chair's leg. We don't use apostrophe. What do we use? Legs of a chair, means the chair. This is the chair of the, legs of the chair. Okay, we don't use apostrophe over here. Similarly, the capital of India, not India's capital. So we don't use apostrophe. We use of. Okay, see over here, no slipping. Apostrophe s is used only for people and animals. It is not used for places, objects and ideas. Just now we learned we use apostrophe s only for people and animals. For places, objects and ideas, what do we use? We use of. Okay. So moving on towards the exercise. So we have already learned about the apostrophes. So it will be easy for you to solve the exercise also. See, rewrite the highlighted words by using an apostrophe. One has been done for you. So you have to use apostrophe. So the sons of my uncle go to the same school. So we have to change this highlighted one. So what is it? Son of my uncle. So uncle's sons. Okay. Similarly, the nest of the bird is in my yard. So the nest of the bird means bird's nest. The bicycle of my friend is yellow in color. So friend's bicycle. The bag of my sister is made of leather. So sister's bag. The home of the duck is in the lake. So the duck's home. Okay, duck's home is in the lake. So this I have done for you. I would request you to complete it in your books. Okay, now we will move forward. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. So I have ticked the option. You have to fill it in the blanks. Okay. I met Dash at the party last night. So Mr. Pandey's son. So this is wrong. Mr. Pandey's apostrophe s. Mr. Pandey's, after s there is an apostrophe. So this will be wrong. So what will be the correct one? Mr. Pandey's. Pandey is already a title. So we use apostrophe s. So this will be the correct option. Have you seen Dash cricket gloves? Mosses. Mosses with an apostrophe. Mosses with an apostrophe s. So already the name ends with an s. So what do we do when the name already ends with s? See, we use apostrophe after that. So what will be the correct one? Mosses, number B. The Dash trip to the zoo was fun. So children with an apostrophe here, children's with an apostrophe over here, or children's or children with an apostrophe s. So what did we learn from here? That it is already plural in form. So what do we use? We use as apostrophe s. So the correct option will be this one, number C. I met my Dash teacher in school yesterday. So sons, it is a plural form. Sons, this will be wrong because son is one. Over here we are talking about singular. So son with an apostrophe s. So this will be the correct answer. So that this was all for your chapter 5. I would request you to revise the chapter, learn the exercise for your weekly test, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.